Hi everyone, welcome back to Watch Your English channel. Today we are going to learn important shopping words and phrases by filling the blanks together in a shopping story. Let's get started. I love shopping. I enjoy looking around the shops and seeing all the different products and people. My friends say I like to spend money. It's probably true. There is a great supermarket near our house. They have everything you need for your home. Spend, need. If you want a tin of sardines, a tube of toothpaste, a box of chocolates, a carton of milk, or a packet of biscuits, you can buy them at the supermarket. They sell everything. Buy, sell. If you want a lot of things, you can use a trolley, also called a shopping cart, and push it in front of you. If you don't need much, you can use a small basket instead. Trolley, shopping cart, push. Then you find the items you need from the shelves. If you can't look for something, you can ask a sales assistant for help. When you see what you want, just take it from the shelves and put it in your trolley. Find, look for, sales assistant, take. When you have everything, you must stand in the queue at the checkout or cash desk to pay. If there is anything wrong, such as the service not being good, customers can complain to the manager. Queue, cash desk, pay, complain. Now let's go shopping for clothes. If you want to buy a ready made, or as we sometimes say, an off the rack jacket, first find the clothing section in the store. Off the rack. Look at the label inside the jacket to check the size, material, and make. For the price, look at the price tag. Label, tag. To see if it will fit you, you can try the jacket on in the fitting room. If necessary, an assistant will help you. Fit, try on, fitting room. When you're happy with your choice, go to the cash desk and pay. Give your money or card to the cashier. The cashier will take your money, put it in the till, and give you your change and a receipt. Cashier, till, receipt. Make sure you keep the receipt in case there is something wrong with the jacket and you want to exchange it or ask for a refund of your money later. Exchange, refund. If something is too expensive, you can wait for a sale or look for a bargain to get a lower price. Some people love shopping in big malls, while others prefer looking at newspaper advertisements or shopping online. Sale, bargain. Now let's do a quick quiz to test what you have learned. I'll read a sentence with a missing word, and you try to fill in the blank before I give the answer. Are you ready? If I want to buy something, I must go to the to pay cash desk. Before buying clothes, I should to see if they fit. Try them on. A person who helps customers in a store is called a sales assistant. If I don't like my purchase, I can go back to the store and ask for a refund. A big shopping event where prices are reduced is called a sale. Now tell me in the comments, what is your favorite thing to shop for? Clothes, food, electronics? I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more English learning videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.